741. Let's go. In the system index within systems whatever, we have inserted TILESOB between TileBoy and TileWay. This is the system to manage putting and getting stained on BOM panels. In const macros by system, beneath the TileBoy constants, we have the TILESOB constants. There's nothing here. In data by system, underneath the TileBoy data, there is the TILESOB data. Nothing's here. Underneath the TileBoy function section, there is the TILESOB function section. We have added a dependency enforcer that only exists in the client-side environment, some shorthand aliases to some things we're going to need, and then we're going to make sure that the inclusion is TileBoy, then TILESOB, then TileFed in that order. And if it's not in that order, we have two unique error messages to throw, and there's tags to find the solution to what's going wrong. Okay, down here, we have a little footnote. You can grab onto that and look at that on your own time. We don't have time for it. Here's some monkey wrench macros to help us find the function we're looking for. And here is our putter. This is our putter function that is going to put a glass panel of a certain RGB color into the tile map. So here's the tile size, the layer, global tile X, global tile Y, the glass panel enumeration, and then the red, green, and blue channel values that we're going to tint the panel with. And we'll do the logic in a different video. Footnotes, and footnotes, and footnotes, and footnotes, and footnotes, and what we did in this video. Like and subscribe, send money in the mail. If you want a longer, more in-depth explanation, you can go to Ninja Playlist 8. You're here on the advanced playlist, source code. Ooh, that's not source code. That's technical demos. Source code is here, and then ways of getting a hold of me. So my name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game, and I'm also making it into an MMO, so I'm also writing a lot of server code. So I'm writing server code, rendering code, physics code. So if you want to learn all that kind of stuff about how to make a game engine, then you should like and subscribe.